Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an enormous Amazon Prime Day haul for you guys. I've had a lot of these things in my basket for a little while. You know when over time you kind of just accumulate loads and loads of things in your basket that you want to purchase but cannot quite bring yourself to buying? Well, because it was Amazon Prime Day, so a lot of the items were actually discounted, I thought I would take advantage of the sales and ended up buying everything in my basket. So I will get into this haul. So not only did I get a lot of things, the boxes are ginormous. I'll show you. This is what the boxes are looking like. I'm gonna open this stuff up with you guys. So I ordered this oil can. This is something that I actually saw on Instagram before on like one of those Amazon must-have pages, and I thought it was quite cool. So at the moment we do have an oil dispenser, but I just thought this one was a lot nicer. As you can see on the box, it comes in green. However, I picked it up in black. This is what it looks like. So you can either pour the oil into the pan or you can spray it, which is the element that completely sold me. So instead of buying the oil spray bottles, I thought this would be quite handy to use. So you just put your oil in and you can spray as much or as little as you want. This holds 470 milliliters. Okay, now in this box, there's quite a few different things in this box. This is my favorite face wash, CeraVe. It is Blemish Control Cleanser. I really like it because it has salicylic acid in it, which is quite difficult to say. Salicylic acid in it, which is really good for my skin. So yeah, love this stuff. Okay, the next thing is, so even though I didn't order this stuff too long ago, I'm still like, oh my gosh, when I take it out of the box. So this is an undersheet for the bed. And it's silk, which is lovely. I don't know if you can see in the camera. Been wanting a silk undersheet for a while, so I actually had a black one, but I'm not too sure where that's gone actually. Really looking forward to washing this and putting it on the bed. Okay, I think I'm most excited for this one. So this is a hand blender, and we've been wanting to make sauces and pestos for a while now. We have a NutriBullet, but NutriBullet is best with liquid, not so much with dry stuff. So I got a blender. Kind of don't want to take it all out, but it's got 3 attachments. NutriBullet style tube. This size as well. This is the one that I really needed. Probably going to use this piece the most. Then it also comes with a whisk as well. So yeah, 3 pieces. I shouldn't have taken this all out because how am I going to put it back together again? Most excited about using this. So yeah, really happy to pick this up on offer as well. Okay, let's see what else I have in this box. Yes, so we went to a friend's recently and she had a kind of like gooseneck holder for her iPad on the back of her bed, and we were like, oh my gosh, we need one of those. Sometimes we like to watch things in the bedroom and either I'm holding it or propping it up on a cushion or something. So when we saw the holder, we were like, we need to get one of those. So immediately I put it in my basket. So, oh my gosh, it's quite tough. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you attach this piece. So you can kind of have your iPad hanging from any direction, I guess. This is the clamp, so you just kind of unwind this piece. Let's say the bed frame is this wide, you clamp it and then tie it. I'm making this up as I go along. And then yeah, it kind of just sits on the back of your bed frame, and then this is the attachment that holds your iPad or your phone even. I guess you can just kind of position it where you want. You can use your iPad or your phone hands-free, which is really nice to watch shows in bed. Okay, that's one box down. Okay, the next bag. More bedding. I had actually picked this up maybe a year or 2 ago in green, and it honestly is the softest sheets that I think I've ever purchased. Really, really, really nice material. So I said I'd get it in another colour, put it in my basket, and then just didn't purchase it. So, like I said, I took advantage of the sales and yeah, got it in like a kind of stone beige colour. Just as soft as the other ones. Looking forward to matching the two with the white silk undersheet, the beige duvet colour. And it also comes with 2 pillows as well. Really soft, will definitely recommend. I'll actually put the links to all of these items in the bottom for you guys if you want to purchase any of these things, because like I said, really recommend these. They're really nice and soft. On to the next one. So I got a silicone toilet brush and holder. This is what it looks like put together. This is what it looks like on the wall as well. Needing to get a new toilet brush, so I thought maybe it'd be a bit more hygienic to actually get a silicone one. And what I liked most about this is that you can actually attach it to the wall like that. So the brush kind of just sits in that. Of course you actually have to attach the stick, but then you just pull it out like that. Really nice and compact, and looking forward to throwing the other one away. Okay, the second largest box now. Oh my goodness. One moment. If you knew how much maneuvering I just had to do here. I got a vanity mirror, like so. Again, this is something else I've had in my basket for a while, and it was slightly cheaper in the sales. This mirror connects to a plug socket and has 3 different light settings. This is something that I'm going to be putting in my bedroom on my table. So yeah, another fave. 2 more items left, one which is here in this ginormous box, but I don't think I'm actually going to open it now. What I'll do is maybe put in a clip later on once I've set it up, because it's something you have to build. But yeah, so I got a brown pleather chair for the bedroom, so I'll put an image in as well, and hopefully a clip of it all put together. And then the last item actually did not come in time. I'll put a picture up so you can see. Aside from the blender, this is my second favourite item, and it's something that is just so me. Really big plush cushion pillow you just prop behind yourself. So I was really looking forward to showing you guys, because it's that kind of Sherpa material and it's just really me. I'm all about snuggly and cozy, and it was supposed to come yesterday. It's now been rescheduled for a couple days now, so hopefully I'll show you guys what that looks like in another video. But like I said, I will put the picture in so you can get an idea. That's everything for my Prime Day shopping. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done already, please hit that subscribe button. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.